Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you looking for a photo printer that won't drain your wallet? Today we're checking out the Canon Pixma G620. Let's see if this printer is worth your money. The Canon Pixma G620 is a wireless photo printer with a tank system instead of cartridges. It costs around $300. The big deal here is a 6-color ink system. You get the usual black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. But Canon adds red and gray inks too. This gives you better colors in your photos. Let's talk about what makes this printer awesome. The ink cost is insane. You can print 3,800 photos from one full set of ink bottles. That works out to just 2.5 cents per photo. Compare that to cartridge printers that cost 50 cents or more per print. The savings are huge. Photo quality is really good. Colors are bright and accurate. The extra red and gray inks make a real difference. Your photos will look amazing. The printer can handle different paper sizes from 4 by 6 up to 8.5 by 11. You can even print long photos up to 47 inches. Setup is simple. The ink bottles have special tips that only fit the right tank. You can't mess it up. Just pop them in and the tanks fill themselves, no squeezing needed. Now the downsides. This printer is slow. A 4x6 photo takes about 2.5 minutes. That's way slower than most printers. If you need prints fast, this could be a problem. The control screen is tiny and basic, just a small 2-line display with buttons. No touchscreen. It works but feels outdated. It doesn't print on both sides of paper automatically, and there's no document feeder for scanning multiple pages. So, is the Canon Pixma G620 worth it? If you print lots of photos, absolutely yes. The savings on ink will pay for the printer quickly. Photo quality is great. Just remember it's slow and best for people who care more about cost than speed. For photo lovers and scrapbookers, this is a fantastic choice.